Okay, we are going to learn about how to copy your wallet address. We are going to learn about how to copy your wallet address. So you log into your blockchain. When you log into the blockchain, you see the bottom of the page or the window. They've written activity, swap, home, buy and sell, and then transfer. So you click on transfer, then the next page that appears, you see send and receive. Here we are going to copy our wallet address. So we click on receive. When you click on receive, you see that the cryptocurrencies appear. My Bitcoin wallet, my Ether wallet, my Bitcoin Cash wallet. So you will choose the cryptocurrency or the type of cryptocurrencies wallet address you want to generate. So here we are going to generate Bitcoin wallet address. So you click on the first one, my Bitcoin wallet address, and you see the next page, that is tap to copy this address, share it with the sender via email or text. So this is your wallet address. With the barcode reader, you can scan it if you have the app, or you can click on it and then you can copy the wallet address. So the alphabet here, the 1 B T S D L, in fact, this alphabet with numbers is the wallet address that when someone wants to send you money, you will give to the person. So you tap on the address, either the barcode or on the alphabet. When you tap on it, you see this, copy this receive address to the clipboard. If so, be advised that other applications may be able to look at this information. So yes, you see copied to clipboard. So once it is copied, you can give it to somebody for the person to send you money on it. And in Bitcoin, if someone wants to send you money, you don't need to give the person your name or your email. You have to come to transfer, receive the Bitcoin wallet address, and then you copy the address here. The one which starts with 1 and ends with J7 is the wallet address. So you only need to give this wallet address to the person or to the sender, and then he will send it to this very address. Or you can click on share, and then you can share it to the person via any of these apps or any of these social media apps, WhatsApp, Facebook, but copying it is the best. So we are going to paste it somewhere. Now you come back to home page. Good. And then we have to find a place and copy it and paste it. So you come here, and then when you tap and hold, you press and hold, you will see this paste. Then you click on paste and you save. So this is the wallet address. This is your Bitcoin wallet address. So when someone wants to send you money, you only need to give the person this very wallet address and you are good to go. So that is all about copying your wallet address.